like the ones I used to know.
From cursing.
Those streets are
Because of him cursing tonight. No. Library that one time. And I didn't catch him just because he was meeting in his head actually. And you should get Jordan? No. Jordan doesn't like TV. Yeah, I'm not gonna
Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright.
I'm gonna talk again the member. Me and Greg are to say on the sports stuff. The 70% of sports stuff. I'm not gonna say go Eagles, go Billy, I guess we go. That moment, this
where those treetops listen and love to hear rhythm in the
actual piano.
I
made that song.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write.
May those days be merry and bright.
And this is perfect. You're not going outside. Okay, you're not going outside. There you go. Raspberry next to him. I had to both of that. That's what I had to do. Because I broke.
Wow! Mommy's kissing Santa Claus!
She got like a daytime easier because my dad comes from out and
So Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. She didn't see me creep down the stairs to have a peep. She thought that I was tucked up in my bedroom fast asleep. Then I saw Mommy tickle Santa Claus underneath his little stone wall. Oh, what a racket would have been if Daddy had only seen Mommy kissing Santa Claus last night. I did. I really did see Mommy kissing Santa Claus, and I'm gonna tell my dad.
Turn her over, baby. Yeah.
Turn it over, baby.
Now we can ride tomorrow, but I know. Mom and I go kind of late, then her and Dad gave me lottery tickets tonight.
They what?
But her and I go over after here, Mom and I gave me lottery tickets then tonight. And then now they Mom and I go back from Atlanta. Hey. That Mom we can still do ride tomorrow, but that's that maybe will help. That would do the right. Like, the nature of the right instead of tomorrow because that way might be doing stuff tomorrow. That was right tonight. Just get up my video and plan instead of tomorrow after. You know, or something. So that's probably why I want to do it instead. Maybe we can take logging books too if you want him. Chill. Not not like anything else but chill. She loves chilling more than Ryan, I guess.
I did.
Oh, but it's Sunday.
I really did see Mommy kissing Santa Claus. You gotta see it, baby. You just gotta.
I bet she's a bit better, right? Not really good. No, she has to chill always. She said, think about other people. I get that for that on the radio. Think of other people. Yeah, that's okay. If I go out to Target saying, go get food.
For the one time? It's gonna go on the song.
It's not enough for the video.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Alright, phone charger for
I
a little bit.
guess.
Send it.
Okay. Maybe a number of layers, by the way. I ate some one for upstairs today, so there's no more layers at all. That's the last of it, so.
Okay. Alright, well, they don't get any tonight. If they go to Walmart tonight, don't get any then. We'll go.
Get them we close tomorrow. Your mom and dad did a 5:30 class tomorrow. Yeah, but they have a late one Thursday. I got God material. Oh my, Bob and Kara's that's being teams. But I like playing teams, but like in sports. I would play in teams that I could be able to.
So nobody was going tonight.
It's a first time. I'm gonna go to church. I'm gonna be working Sunday at 2 again.
Huh?
Also, I'm gonna be working again Sunday. Now ask Oma about Wingo. And I think if she is gonna get, then we'll go with her. And then we can, and then she can say it was a snake.
What?
I think actually on Monday. I asked her. She said you Wingo on Monday, and that way she can say she can save us at Wine Cafe. And that way she can have to see her. She's never in college. But next week.
You don't have to work Monday. Why did
I'm not. I said why would Cafe for us to save receipt if I'm with this? I said her save us a seat. Alright. Alright. That's okay, so I guess.
Oh, I forgot to look for her.